how to build the practice post-pandemic. Being more than now 5 years into practice, I have realized one thing. In this profession, we have to understand and accept the aspect of survival of the fittest. It's the rule of nature that survival of the fittest is the only golden rule. And when I say survival of the fittest, we have to be the fittest to survive in this problematic situation. In this problematic situation, when post-pandemic, we don't have proper infrastructure in place, proper resources in place, and suddenly came a situation you have to lock down your office and sit at home and then work. We could not imagine the things, what is happening, how to work, how to implement, how to deliver. But 2 years gave us a good learning of how to implement these challenges. How to work upon these challenges have been catered in this phase. And when in this phase, and when in this phase we have come up with the development of learning curve of how to challenge these situations, there comes one new opportunity. There comes one new opportunity how to set up a practice post-pandemic. Many of our chartered accountants or professionals actually became chartered accountants, entered the glorious profession in these 2 years, these dark 2 years. Now they have a challenge in mind. Should they go to employment or go to the practice? They are confused when we even want to start our practice. How can we have a practice? Take my words. These are the most beautiful years you can enter into practice. The coming 5 years will be a glorious field of our profession. How? When you now open your practice, you now don't have to invest in good amount of infrastructure. Have a good technology. Have one good system, good server, good laptop to give to the client staff, and start delivering the clients on virtual platforms.
Optotax, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotax in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotax in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotax help tax professional in making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotax from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotax. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotax. In just 2 minutes, Optotax fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotax, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotax now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotax. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Just skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotax. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotax.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotax. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotax. This is the software link. https gst.optotax.com. Google Chrome browser, it works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotext. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the text professional community, to help the text professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.